Chef Jeff, the Rogue Chef here, and today I'm gonna make some caramel. So I'm just taking a little bit of sugar, about a cup of sugar, flatten it out, and then add about a little under a quarter cup of water. And then we'll let that absorb into the sugar. But I don't know if you can see, but there's some crystals on the side. You wanna make sure to get those all off the side, because one crystal can cause this to become being caramel to being a crystallized mess. It'll crunchy and just wouldn't be smooth. So you're on medium-high heat, and other than this, you really don't touch it. You don't stir, you don't do any of it. You just let it go and watch it. If it does need to be stirred, you just stir it by spinning the pan. And as you can see, the sugar's starting to melt around it. This process can take a while, but you just want to watch it, because it really quickly you can go from having caramel to being burnt caramel. And this is what we're going for, and we're going to add to this, because I'm going to be doing some pulled sugar pieces for a client that's going to go on their cheesecake. You can see it's starting to turn a little yellowish, and so it's starting to turn into caramel. Now this will be a hard caramel. If we were wanting to do a soft caramel, like a caramel sauce, we would be adding cream to it. And this is just, I'm just checking the temp on the sugar, and these are just going to hold up clouds of cotton candy. And there we go, we see the caramel forming. And there we go. This is really, really hot. You don't want to touch it right now, but I've got it on the sill mat, and we will start to get it and get it to where it's pliable. It'll take about 5 to 10 minutes. As you see, it's cooling. It can pull off, and now it's able to fold. It's still a little warm. I have my gloves on, but underneath here I have some heat gloves, some thin ones. It's still hot. You can get burned from this really, really quick. But I'm just gonna knead it like you would dough. There's a lot of things you can do with this, and you can reuse it. You don't have to heat it just once. See how it's starting to shine? So basically just folding it on itself, and we're just giving it a little bit of color, a little bit of shine. So now I'll try to make one of our little clouds. Just gonna pinch off some. Just gonna make a flat bottom. It's not gonna be perfect. This will be able to stand up. And so what we're doing here, and we're gonna hold it till it gets, you see that'll dangle, and this will chill and cool faster than the base. If you want, this is too long, clip it off. Just put it to the side, and then you can work it back in. And you may not get, see how you can pull it out and get it thin? Just snip it. So they're all going to be a little bit different. Let's go Rogue.